Hello everyone, I am Walt, and we are diving on in today into principle number 61 in the 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis series. So yes, 61 parts in, and what are we talking about this time? Well, I'd say some interesting kind of fun stuff. Yeah, 61 parts in. Shoosh. This one is, I think it's an interesting kind of principle. What else really is there to say about it? It's just, this one is about being romantic. And I think some people believe that romance is now dead. I would say this is not at all true. The world can be very romantic. And giving out, of course, romance is something that gives you a lot of return, particularly in this day and age, and where people think it's dead. Show people it's alive, and bam, you can get whatever you want. Kind of fun mentality of it, at least. But yeah, what else is there to say about being romantic? Being romantic is simply, I would say, it's a little bit of a lost art to some degree, you might say. But I think that just goes along with what I was saying about people believing it's dead these days. It's really not. Being romantic is something it's fun, and other people think it's fun. It's something where, it's really about seeing the best in the world, seeing the potential, seeing the happy events, looking for the good, the positive. Being a little dramatic, everybody likes a little drama. So to spice it up, to hit up a little drama, to be exciting, to be, that kind of attitude, really. I would say that's really the thing about romance, is that kind of excitement, that, sweep the person off their feet kind of move. And you don't need to be cheesy about it. You don't need to do it in the conventional style. It doesn't always need to be, hearts and flowers kind of stuff. It can just be things that are, your manner of speaking, your style, your, all that kind of stuff. You can add romance to almost anything you do. And really, I think that it puts a little pip in your step. It kind of just gets you, up there feeling better, because really you're putting on a role of somebody who's just, a little bit more romantic, feeling happier, doing these kind of things. And I'd say that it can definitely be impressive to your to your partner there and such. And I think that's, it's important to have romance no matter how long you've been in a relationship, or if you're just trying to start one, find one, anything like that. And I'd say that that's really the thing, is, being able to turn on the charm, turn on your romance, and be romantic. I'd say that can be fun, and it will make you happy. Anyway, that is about it for this video. I am Walt. Check out some of my Amazon materials if you guys would like to. Otherwise, the other self-help material on this channel, of course, we got chess videos, and we've got, gaming videos going back for, nearly 7 years at this point. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, checking all this stuff out, and I will see you guys next time with our next video. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.